So I'm Charl du Plessis, I'm the pianist for this concert, and here's the conductor and organizer, Keith Moss.
And I gave Charl a phone call not so long ago to ask him if he'd play one of his favourite pieces, I hope, which is the Rhapsody in Blue by Gershwin. And tell me, Charl, why do you like playing that piece?
It's fun because it's jazzy and people seem to love the melodies. And it's really nice to be able to play with the orchestra, so that's what I'm looking forward to.
So the orchestra is called the Capital Symphony Orchestra. It's going to be made up of 87 players. So it's one of the biggest orchestras that South Africa has seen in a long time.
That's good.
It's always nice to play with a full string section. So we're talking about 14 first violins, 12 second violins, lots of cellos, lots of violas. It's going to sound fantastic.
And in aid of what is this evening?
We are raising funds for the HIV Clinician Society.
So why did you decide on something like Rhapsody in Blue, and why do you think that'll be a good piece in the program?
Well, we're offering the concert to doctors and clinicians, and we wanted them perhaps as a first-time experience to experience symphonic music in a fun, exciting, rhythmic kind of way.
Do they like music?
I hope they like music.
Okay, so why Rhapsody in Blue?
I think the jazz component in Rhapsody in Blue, that it's not light, but it's bringing jazz music into the concert hall with a symphonic orchestra.
Yeah, and I always think of Rhapsody in Blue as being sort of well known in a sense. And what's the rest of the program like?
We begin with Overture by Peter Louis van Dijk. He's a South African composer, and so far as I'm the conductor is concerned, I'd like to promote South African music and South African composers. And we end with Rachmaninoff's Symphonic Dances, big orchestral work.
And where do people book for this concert?
They can go to www.ourtickets.co.za. Alternatively, they can go to www.mpconsulting.co.za.
And what's the title of the concert if they look for this particular?
They're going to be looking out for HIV/AIDS Fundraising Concert 2014.
So Keith, you've told us a little bit about this concert and what it's all about and what the music is. Please tell me, where is this happening so I'm just on time, and where people can actually expect to hear this?
You better be on time. It's going to be at the ZK Matthews Hall in Ulisa, and it's a fantastic venue because hopefully it can fit all of us on the stage, but it's a nice big acoustic 1,000-seater venue. It's Pretoria based, and
when is the concert?
On the 29th of November, that's the gala evening.
What day is that?
That is a Saturday.
Obviously with a concert like this we have a few people to thank, and you said that you have a list of benefactors you would like to mention.
Most importantly, the funding for this concert is made possible by Hetero Drugs South Africa, and they're sponsoring the entire concert. And all the ticket sales from the concert go directly to the HIV Clinician Society.
That's fantastic, so I'm really looking forward.